Hi, Claudia here from Create with Claudia, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable earrings out of perler beads. They are super easy to make, maybe about 10 minutes or so to make. And you just need a few little supplies, hopefully you have them on hand. These are some watermelon slices I made. You can do them in any shape you want. These are the watermelons. I made some daffodils I'm going to put together later. Here's a strawberry I made. These little pink flowers. And the ones I'm going to be working with today are these purple flowers, which I think are really pretty. They're not too big, not too small. You don't want them too big. These watermelons hang down about 2 inches long, which is just about as long as you want. You want them too much longer, they're going to be really cumbersome. All right, so here we go. We just need a few supplies. Like I said, you're going to need the needle nose pliers and then round nose pliers. Those are extremely helpful. You're going to need perler beads, of course, any colors for whatever shape you want. And you're going to need shepherd's hooks, jewelry fixings, and then some jump rings. And the jump rings are 6 millimeters. You don't want them any smaller than that. You can get them bigger than that if you want. The 6 millimeters is perfect. They go through the perler beads. The perler beads don't melt down that flat, and so they're still pretty thick. So anything smaller than this isn't going to fit through the hole in the perler bead. All right. Now I'm going to not show you how to make the perler bead shape. I'm going to let you do that on your own. Everything's getting stuck to the felt here. Follow the directions that are on the perler bead packaging, and that'll tell you how to make whatever shape you want. That's really important to follow those directions. So you're going to take your shape. I'm hoping you can see this okay. And you're going to take your first jump ring and you're going to open it. Oh, one thing I did forget. If the hole, I try to make it so that the hole doesn't close up when it's melted, because you will need to fit the jump ring through that. And if it does, you might want to take like a thick sewing needle or something and open it up a little bit. So you're going to take, and I use both hands to do this, and just open up that first jump ring and slip it on. And sometimes it's a little tricky to do, and I am not an expert jewelry maker. Let's try this. We'll open it a little bit more. Some people probably, this is a lot easier for some people than for me. And then you take your pliers, your round nose, whoop, and close it up a little in. I'm having problems with that right now. There we go. Sort of roll it around and take your needle nose and flatten it together a little bit more. Might want to pinch it together. That actually works well. There we go. So that's your first ring on. You're going to take the next jump ring, open it up a little bit, and you don't need to open it as much this time. And you're going to stick it onto that first jump ring that's already on there, and then you're going to take your shepherd's hook fixing, and hopefully you can see this with my fingers here. I'm going to hold it like that so maybe it's easier to see. You're going to take that next shepherd's hook, slide it on, and then you're going to close this jump ring up. Bring it around. Let's see, I might use the needle nose for this one. Again, for somebody who's really experienced with jewelry making, this will take maybe like a minute. Takes me a little bit longer. Slide that around. There we go. Pinch it shut. And that is all there is to it. Now I will check. Sometimes these shepherd's hooks, that little joiner right there isn't quite closed, so I'll pinch it shut a little bit just to make sure they're secure and they don't fall off. But that is it. That is all there is to it. And then you have, here's the other one I made. I mean, how cute are those? Those would be so cute for, you know, maybe a young girl's birthday present, a teenage. I mean, for anybody, you could do any kind of flower, smiley face. I mean, you know, the possibilities are endless. So I hope you get a chance to make these. They're a lot of fun to make, and they're really easy. Thanks for watching.